For the first time ever seen on television anywhere, I give you the one, the only, Fletcher, the magical disappearing cat. Isn't that an amazing demonstration? Think she's gone? Well, think again. She's gonna reappear magically. Except she's not in the same place where she was before. Oh well. Now watch this amazing demonstration as she turns herself into... oh shit. This charming cat pillow. Okay, it didn't work. But, here kitty, here kitty. She tried, really.
So, tell me, how did you get your start? What made you first think about becoming a cat? Well, our guest has to go. She's doing a photo shoot in Smyrna, and we really don't want to keep her. Let's have a hand for Fletcher, the cat, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Now the pillow cat will turn into a real cat. Before your very eyes. It's a real cat that doesn't want to have any part of this ridiculous, meaningless exercise in PXL madness. Okay.